Okay, here's a small parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres, and the material's been wetted to help highlight the patterns and colours. These are all small pieces, but some are very nice. Perhaps I'll even go a bit closer to show you. Okay. It's a nice piece. Only small stones, but you're only paying a few dollars for each one. Make some nice little ring stones, pendants. I think every piece has got colour on it. Bit of matrix. I think I'll leave the last few as a surprise for you. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.